Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited amount of invitees and referrals to your Hamster Kombat account. I know most of you are struggling to find people who are willing to join using your link. And if you are new to the Hamster Kombat, it's really important to invite at least 9 people because otherwise you're not unlocking all the features and maximizing your points. For example, if you go to specials, lots of these special cards actually require you to have invited friends. For example, this card, like there are 2 chairs, you have to invite 1 friend. Next example, USDT on ton requires to invite 3 people. If you go to the regular cards, also they have cards like DAO, you have to invite 4 friends. And if you're going for the daily combos, usually you have to buy these cards. And of course, if you don't have any invitees and referrals, you cannot do it. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it on your phone, how to create multiple accounts on Android phone, and also how to create multiple accounts also on the desktop. And this way you can create unlimited amount of Hamster Kombat accounts using your referral link. So without wasting anybody's time, let's jump into this quick tutorial. So first of all, if you're using Android, I would recommend you to use app which is called multiple accounts. I'll leave the links in the description, or the app cloner. Basically, this app will let you create multiple clones of the same app. For example, you can see you can create WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, but also you can create Telegram accounts. And also same goes for the app cloner, but I think app cloner is more for advanced users because you can actually change your IPs, you can change your fingerprints, which is I think more advanced feature. So if you're starting out, I recommend you to use multiple accounts. It's really easy. Just download it, select Telegram, and just clone your app as many times as you want. Next up, to create Telegram account, of course, you need to have different phone numbers. And to do that, actually, they have multiple services. For example, I'm personally using SMS Activate or SMS Man. So for example, SMS Man costs 85 cents for 1 activation. And for the SMS Activate, it costs 3.75 rubles. And you can actually select the country you want the number be from. So I think this is really cool hack to actually create multiple accounts and reach your referral number for all of these perks. But I don't recommend you to actually go too crazy. I think go for 10, 12 accounts max, because otherwise there is a risk of your account being detected as spam, as like a fraud. And of course, don't go too crazy. And after unlocking all your perks and all your cards on the Hamster Kombat app, don't forget to buy the daily combo to get 5 million points for free. And I'll be sharing daily combos, daily ciphers on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe. And you can find all the links in the description, and also on my free Telegram group. It can be found on the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.